Good morning, dear students. This is Amit sir. Today we are going to find what is internet and the evolution of internet. The term internet was derived from the word international network. Internet has two words mainly in it, that is inter and net. It is a network of so many small networks that are interconnected together to create a huge network within the world. In other words, internet is a network of millions of computers that are connected to each other. It was mainly developed for the military requirement by the Department of Defense USA. Is to helping in research and development of military systems. Later, it connected different hospitals and universities within USA for their research and development. After a few years, it is open for everyone in the world and then it's called internet. It impacts so many aspects in our daily lives, from education to research, entertainment, online commerce or e-commerce to social networking and many more places like online video conferencing, chatting, gaming, even what we are doing now, learning, tickets booking and many other things that we can do on internet. Let's look at the timeline of the internet. In year 1969, the Advanced Research Project Agency of the Department of Defense of USA developed an experimental network that is called ARPANET. They developed it mainly for the military requirements or for their research and developments. Next, in the year 1971, electronic mail is introduced by the computer scientist Ray Tomlinson. Electronic mail or email is the method that is used for exchanging messages between people using the electronic devices. The term electronic mail is used for any electronic document transmission. By using email, we can send messages as well as documents and other files to each other within just few clicks on computer or even through the mobile by the use of internet. It is very fast and cheaper than the traditional mail. Next, in 1972, for the first time, @ was used to distinguish between the sender's name and the network name in an email address. As you already know, the email address has two parts, that is username and the second one is the domain name, which is separated by a @ sign. So this @ sign for the email address was introduced in the year 1972. Next, in the year 1978, 400 ARPANET users received the first spam email. A spam email is also known as junk email, which is unsolicited bulk messages that are sent through email without the explicit consent from the recipient. Next, in year 1981, there were only 2000 users on ARPANET. In 1981, IBM also developed their first personal computer. It was formerly known as IBM Model 5150, which uses Intel 8088 microprocessor and used Microsoft MS-DOS operating system. Next, in year 1982, the word Internet is used for the first time. In the time 1982, TCP/IP protocol suites are formalized and simple mail transfer protocol are introduced. Next, in 1990, the English engineer and the computer scientist Sir Timothy John Berners-Lee invented the first World Wide Web and he wrote the first web browser in 1990 while he was employed at CERN CERN near Geneva, Switzerland. The browser was released outside CERN in 1991 and the technology behind the www becomes made available for free in 1993 for all. In year 1995, Amazon was launched. I hope you are already familiar with the Amazon services. Amazon is an American multinational technology company that is based in Seattle, and it is mainly focused on e-commerce and cloud computing. Also nowadays, it's provide digital streaming and artificial intelligence. I hope you are familiar with the Amazon.in shopping site or the e-commerce site. In the year 1997, Google was launched. Google is also an American multinational technology company that is specialized in internet related services and products, which includes online advertising technologies, a search engine, cloud computing software, and hardware. I hope you all are familiar with Google. For example, if we have to search something on internet, what we say, where we can find the answer, just Google it. The other services provided by Google are Gmail, G Drive, G Shoot, Google Meet. Even the Android operating system is introduced by Google. Next, in the year 1998, eBay was launched. eBay, it is also an e-commerce based company. It facilitates consumer to consumer and business to consumer sales through its website. Next, in 2001, Wikipedia was launched. Wikipedia is a free online encyclopedia where volunteers around the world create and edit the articles inside the Wikipedia. Nowadays, Wikipedia is available in 285 languages. It is considered as one of the best online encyclopedia also. Next, in the year 2003, iTunes Music Store was launched. Next, in year 2004, Facebook was launched. It is an online platform that provides a platform to connect with friends and to chat with each other. Next, in the year 2005, YouTube was launched. Google is the parent company of YouTube. YouTube is a part of Google services. It is maintained and managed by Google Incorporation. Next, in the year 2006, Twitter was launched. Twitter is a microblogging site that is used to send and receive small tweets. In year 2007, iPhone was launched by Apple. In the year 2008, Google Chrome was launched for free by Google for the web browsing. In year 2010, some other social media sites like Pinterest and Instagram were launched. In the year 2011, Google Plus was launched. In the year 2014, Facebook bought the messaging app WhatsApp. In the year 2015, Instagram, which is a photo sharing site, reaches 400 million users. In the year 2019, Internet marks its 50th anniversary. From the development started in the year 1969 to the year 2019. There are so many other developments also happened in the world of Internet. We will learn more about Internet in our next classes. So that's all for the day. Take care, stay safe, and have a nice day.